Hey there, smart home enthusiasts. Main body, locking your Schlage keypad. Lock BE365. First up, let's cover how to lock your Schlage BE365. This process is super straightforward and offers a couple of convenient options. Method 1. The Schlage button lock. Step 1. Ensure your door is closed properly. Step 2. Simply press the Schlage button, the large button with the Schlage logo, located at the top of the keypad. Step 3. You'll hear the bolt extend, and usually a green check mark will appear, indicating the lock is engaged. It's that easy. This is perfect for when you're leaving quickly. Method 2. Using your access code to lock. Step 1. Close your door. Step 2. Enter one of your pre-programmed 4-digit user codes on the keypad. Step 3. Press the Schlage button. Step 4. The bolt will extend, and your door will be securely locked. This method is often used by some for a double check, or if they prefer using their code even for locking. Remember, a solid clunk and a visual confirmation on the keypad are your best friends here. Always double check your door is locked before leaving. Main body, unlocking your Schlage keypad. Lock BE365. Now, let's move on to arguably the most important part. Unlocking your Schlage BE365. This is where your unique access codes come into play. Step 1. Wake up the keypad. Before entering your code, gently touch or press any button on the keypad. You'll see the numbers light up, indicating the lock is ready for input. Step 2. Enter your user code. Carefully enter your pre-programmed 4-digit user code. Make sure to enter it correctly and without long pauses between digits. Step 3. Press the Schlage button. After entering your code, press the Schlage button, the top button with the logo. Step 4. Confirm unlock. You'll hear the bolt retract, and a green check mark will usually flash, signifying that your door is now unlocked. You can then open the door. What if you enter the wrong code? The Schlage BE365 will typically flash a red X and emit a series of beeps. Just wait a few seconds, let the keypad reset, and try again with the correct code. Special tips and troubleshooting for your Schlage BE365. Here are a few extra tips and common questions regarding your Schlage BE365 keypad lock. Battery life. If your lock isn't responding or the keypad lights are dim, it might be time to change the batteries. The BE365 uses 9-volt battery. You'll usually get a low battery warning, multiple beeps after unlocking, well in advance. Lost codes. If you forget your user codes, you'll need to reset your Schlage BE365 to its factory settings and reprogram new codes. We have another video on that, linked in the description below. Key override. Don't forget, your Schlage BE365 always comes with a traditional key override. If the battery dies completely, or you're having trouble with the keypad, your physical key is your backup. Security. To maximize security, it's a good practice to change your user codes periodically, especially if multiple people have access. Beeping sounds. Different beeping patterns indicate different things. Incorrect code, low battery, or successful operation. Refer to your Schlage BE365 manual for a full breakdown. And there you have it. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to our channel for more smart home device tips, tutorials, and product reviews. Got questions about your Schlage BE365 or any other electronic lock? Leave them in the comments below, and we'll do our best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.